Welcome to Crafting Narratives.
My first words.
Today let us learn about farm animals and pets, birds, modes of transport and wild animals.
Let us learn the names of some farm animals and pets. Cow, bull, goat, sheep, cat, dog, horse, camel, rabbit, llama, yak, donkey, hamster. Let us see some of the birds. Duck, goose, turkey, hen, parrot, peacock, owl, crow, sparrow, pigeon, swan, penguin, ostrich, woodpecker, kingfisher, crane, robin, hummingbird, hornbill, eagle, vulture. Let us see some of the vehicles. Bicycle, car, motorcycle, scooter, van, ambulance, fire engine, train, tractor, dump truck, bus, airplane, blimp, helicopter, hot air balloon, rocket, space shuttle, boat, ship, submarine. Let us learn about wild animals. Tiger, lion, fox, wolf, giraffe, zebra, kangaroo, deer, bear, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, panda, elephant, monkey, gorilla, koala, porcupine, hyena, boar, crocodile, cheetah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.